A great mint julep begins with really great bourbon, a little spearmint, and an essential ingredient you might not be thinking about is crushed ice. Welcome to Homemade Cooking in Texas. I'm Carolyn Gibson from Dogwood Gardens, where homemade cooking is surprisingly easy, healthier for you and your family, saves money, and tastes great. Come join me today as I share my favorite recipes, and I hope they will become your favorite recipes. And don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, Kentucky Derby is right around the corner, and are you ready with your mint juleps? Now, what does a mint julep take other than, of course, you need your Kentucky bourbon. You need mint, which also always means spearmint, and you need crushed ice. So we're going to use this Ninja blender to crush our ice and see how well it does it. Okay. I'm filling the pitcher about halfway with ice. Put my lid on. Now these Ninja blenders, you got to be really particular where you put everything. You have to match the arrows up. Press the lid down. Now have it plugged up. Let's go for crush. Turn the power on first. Let's see, it is almost snow. We're going to go with crush again. Let's see, I think we still got a few more chunks of ice in there. Yeah, I do see another chunk of ice, so let's give it another whirl. Now, I would say this is just about snow. So if you're wanting snow cones for your kids, you can use this for that also. See what we have here. We're going to pull the blade out. We don't want to get our fingers cut. Back to the mint julep. Okay, we've got traditionally they're served in a silver cup, but of course I don't have a silver cup, so I'm using a highball glass. And I've got about 8 mint leaves in here. And I'm going to muddle them with a little sugar syrup. Now recipes vary all the way from 1 teaspoon, a teaspoon and a half, to a tablespoon, so it's going to be kind of to your taste. So I kind of like things on the sweet side, so I'm going to put 2 teaspoons in there. And muddling just means, just getting a wooden spoon, anything you've got to muddle to release the aroma of those mint leaves. And then you're going to add your 2 ounces of bourbon. We're not bourbon drinkers, so we really don't keep bourbon on hand. If we were drinking these for ourselves, we would probably put rum in it. Okay, now what you want to do is just pack your glass full of crushed ice. And then you're going to just stir and stir. It is really getting cold. It's really hard to hold on to. Okay, now I'm going to top it off with even more ice. I want to get it all the way up to the top, just as much as I can get in there. And then we're going to garnish it with a mint leaf. Okay, and there we have our mint julep. Boy, I tell you, this will really knock your socks off, because this is really something you need to sip and not guzzle down. You notice I didn't give a straw because we want to sip this. Happy Kentucky Derby Day.
Important tips for using the Ninja blender. You absolutely have to follow the arrows or you'll never get it together.
To do this, we made crushed our ice in this. We crushed the ice in it earlier. And of course, once more, you've got to know that you've got to line things up. You've always got to make the little arrow, and this handle is lightening up there, and then you turn it.
Now the same goes for the lid. You have to match up the arrows.
And of course, this has this arrow there that you have to put on and close the lid. Now this lid also has a pouring spout.
Look in the description bar for an Amazon link to the Ninja blender. Thank you so much for joining me today at Homemade Cooking in Texas. These are my favorite recipes and I hope they will become yours. Now if you enjoy these recipes, please like and subscribe so you can see more of these type recipes. We have been making a full-time living here on our organic farm since 1991. We need your support to continue our small family farm by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much.